Your grip gives out before the target muscles do, reps get cut short, volume drops, and progress stalls. In other words, weak grip doesn't just hold the bar, it holds you back. But when you make grip training a priority, everything improves. You lift with more control, handle heavier loads, and push sets further without the bar slipping. Now, if you want to level up your grip strength fast, this is the point where most people fail, and it's also the easiest fix. Barbell static holds in the rack. If you want a grip that never gives out, this is the most efficient exercise you can add to your routine. No gimmicks, just raw, unfiltered strength. Here's what most lifters don't realize. Static holds force every part of your grip chain to fire at full capacity. Your forearms, your finger flexors, even the deep stabilizers that never get touched by curls or machines. This is pure, lockdown strength. The exact strength that determines whether you finish a heavy pull or watch the bar slide out of your hands. And the real value? Static holds build not just muscle, but tendon density and connective tissue strength, the stuff that actually keeps your grip strong under fatigue. That's why they carry over so well into deadlifts, pull-ups, and every heavy lift you care about. If you want a grip that feels like a vice, this is where it starts. Here are a few things without which you will not achieve the necessary results. First of all, how to do it properly. You need to set a barbell in a power rack around hip height. Pick a weight that's roughly 70 to 85% of what you can pull, and lock a double overhand grip on it. Lift it just an inch off the pins, and hold. Aim for 10 to 20 seconds if you're new, and build toward 20 to 30 seconds over the next few weeks. Just 2 sets. That's it. The next part is important if you want to make progress. Once 20-30 seconds feels doable, increase the weight a little, or you can switch the grip challenge, like using a thick bar or add a fat grips. You can also add a towel over the bar to force more finger activation. Every variation hits your grip differently and keeps the gains rolling, but you can't go wrong no matter what. And because the bar doesn't move, the tension in your forearms is uninterrupted, which is exactly what your grip needs to grow stronger, thicker, and more reliable. Add these holds at the end of a pull workout once a week. It's more than enough to create noticeable changes. Only 2 sets of static holds will do more for your grip in 3 minutes than most people get from an entire month of grip gadgets and half-effort curls. This is the simplest, smartest upgrade you can make to your grip training. Now tell me, how many times during pull-ups your grip giving you that middle finger and walks away? I feel that pain, and the next exercise can fix the problem. So if you think you have strong grip, try hanging from a bar. The reality will slap you in the face faster than Will Smith. Dead hangs don't lie. They show exactly how strong you actually are. Dead hangs build the one thing most lifters completely ignore: isometric endurance in your fingers, hands, wrists, and forearms. Hanging recruits the deep finger flexors, the muscles responsible for the actual locking of your grip. These aren't activated fully during curls or machines. Dead hangs target them directly, improving your ability to maintain tension under fatigue. And here's the part nobody wants to admit. It's not your strength that fails first. It's your endurance. Your grip simply can't stay locked long enough. If you want a grip that doesn't just feel strong for a few seconds, but actually stays strong when it matters, this is the exercise that rewires that completely. They also decompress your spine and improve shoulder stability, a bonus your whole upper body benefits from. If you want a stronger grip, here's what you need to do. Start with 15 to 20 seconds if you're just getting into dead hangs, enough to challenge you without frying your grip. As your endurance climbs, push toward 45 to 60 seconds per set. That's where the real grip transformation happens. Hit 2-3 sets at the end of your workout when your forearms are already tired, or use them as a warm-up on pull days to fire up your lats and grip before heavy work. Also, you can use a thicker bar or just loop a towel over the bar. This activates more the fingers to work harder and skyrockets grip strength. And here's the secret nobody talks about. Before each hang, add a small but powerful move: scapular retraction. Pull your shoulder blades slightly down and back, lock into the position, and then hang. This teaches proper shoulder mechanics, protects your shoulders, and directly boosts your pull-up strength. Next exercise will give you real-world grip strength that transfers to everything. And yes, you'll be able to carry your wife's shopping bags without a problem. If you want a grip that holds under movement, fatigue, and instability, this should be in your must-do list. I'm talking about the farmer walks or farmer carry. Farmer walks build dynamic grip endurance, strength that works while your entire body is under load. This is the most functional grip builder you can do because you're stabilizing heavy weight while walking. This isn't just squeezing a handle. This is your entire body fighting to stay stable while your hands do the heavy lifting. You're teaching your grip to perform when your core is bracing, your legs are driving, and your posture is working overtime. That's why farmer walks develop elite-level, functional endurance, the kind that carries over to deadlifts, rows, pull-ups, and even everyday tasks where most people fail the moment their hands give out. Your hands have to stay clamped down while your shoulders fight to stay level. Your core locks in like a vice, and your legs drive you forward. That constant tension turns your forearms into steel cable, far beyond your expectations. In short, farmer walks don't just train your grip. They upgrade your entire kinetic chain from head to toe. But you need to do it correctly if you want to see results. So choose weights that push your grip to its limits, heavy enough that holding for 30 to 45 seconds is a real challenge, but not so heavy that you compromise form. Walk 20 to 40 meters with perfect posture. Chest up, shoulders locked, no leaning, no swinging. Your grip has to fight for every step. Keep the weights tight to your body the entire time. Don't let them drift or cheat your forearms out of the work. Rest 60 to 90 seconds, then repeat for 2-3 rounds. That's enough to overload your grip and forearms while still keeping quality high. Once your grip is now rock solid, you should check the only 2 exercises you need for huge biceps. I'll catch you there.